What's up, guys? Today I will be using octopus's suit to troll players. Let's get into it. If you guys also want to make this cool suit, then video link is in the comments. Lever controls the suit's grab feature. This is how it works on my alt. Candy gives speed and jump boost. It can also drown players who get grabbed octopus. The first victim. This boat looks like a pile of trash law. Yes, I grabbed him. Now time to drown him. OMG, I'm stuck. They lodged cry emoji. They fell wrong. I clicked firework by accident law. My alt account again. Victim is the ship. It can also float on water. Sometimes. The ship is pretty fast, but I think the rocks will slow it down. 5 times speed, so you guys don't get bored while watching. Wow, I'm really close to the ship. Why am I inside the ship ball? The inside of the ship looks great. No, the ship is too far away. I failed to get the ship. Goodbye, guys. Thanks a lot for watching this short video. If you enjoyed, then I would like if you liked and subscribed.